Banks have been lying to us. Cash is no longer king. Neither is it safe to have too much money stored in your bank account. While they may pay you interest on the money stored with the banks, they pay minimal interest compared to the rising inflation rate every year. You are losing money. In this video we'll take a look at 10 assets that are safer than cash and can help you build generational wealth. Number 1. Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency created by mysterious programmer Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, has taken the financial world by storm. With its decentralized nature and potential for unparalleled growth, Bitcoin has attracted a devoted following. At its peak in 2021, one Bitcoin was worth over $45,000. As of September 2021, there were over 106 million Bitcoin users worldwide, according to Statista. It's no wonder that some enthusiasts jokingly refer to it as the magic internet money. Number 2. Dogecoin. What started as a playful internet meme has turned into a bona fide digital asset. Dogecoin, with its Shiba Inu mascot, has gained a massive following thanks to endorsements from influential figures like Elon Musk. At one point, Dogecoin's market cap even exceeded that of established companies like Twitter, according to CoinDesk. Will this joke coin continue to defy expectations and become a legitimate alternative to cash? Only time will tell. Number 3. NFTs, the digital collectibles. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have caused quite a stir in the art and entertainment industries. These unique digital assets are secured on blockchain technology, making them tamper-proof and easily transferable. In March 2021, the digital artist Beeple sold an NFT artwork for a staggering $69.3 million at a Christie's auction. NFTs are turning traditional art markets upside down while offering a hilarious twist to the way we perceive and value art. A lot of celebrities and influencers have jumped onto the NFT bandwagon by creating their own, like Justin Bieber, Snoop Dogg and Logan Paul. But many celebrities have just been using it as a cashing in from it and then distancing themselves from it. Number 4. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges, offering diversification across various assets and industries. Some ETFs are designed to replicate the performance of a specific index, while others focus on sectors, commodities, or geographic regions. As of June 2021, the global ETF industry had reached over $8 trillion in assets under management, according to ETFGI. ETFs provide investors with an efficient way to diversify their portfolios, reducing risks associated with individual assets, and making them a safer alternative to keeping all funds in cash. Legendary billionaire investor Warren Buffett often recommends ETFs to people, namely the S&P 500. Number 5. Vintage video games, the gamer's fortune. Did you keep that old video game console from your childhood? If so, you might be sitting on a goldmine. Vintage video games and consoles have become highly sought-after collectibles in recent years. In July 2021, a rare copy of The Legend of Zelda sold for $870,000 at auction, setting a new record for the most expensive video game ever sold. Time to dig out those dusty cartridges and turn nostalgia into cash. Number 6. Gold, the time-tested store of value. For centuries, gold has been viewed as a safe haven asset and a hedge against inflation and economic instability. The World Gold Council reported that central banks collectively held around 35,000 tons of gold as of August 2021. Unlike cash, gold retains its value over time and is not subject to the same devaluation risks posed by fiat currencies. During periods of economic uncertainty, the demand for gold tends to increase, driving its price higher and making it a safer asset for investors seeking stability. Number 7. Government bonds, the bedrock of stability. Government bonds are widely regarded as one of the safest assets available. Issued by national governments, these bonds provide a guaranteed return on investment and are typically backed by the full faith and credit of the issuing country. According to Statista, the global outstanding government bond market was valued at over $65 trillion as of the second quarter of 2021. These bonds are considered low risk due to their stable interest payments and the relatively low likelihood of default by financially stable governments. Number 8. Real estate. Real estate is a tangible asset with intrinsic value, making it an attractive investment option for many. According to the Federal Reserve, residential real estate in the United States alone was valued at over $36 trillion in the second quarter of 2021. Investing in real estate provides potential for appreciation over time, rental income, and a hedge against inflation. While property values can fluctuate, real estate has historically shown resilience during economic downturns, making it a safer long-term investment. Number 9. Whiskey, the liquid gold. Raise a glass to whiskey, the liquid gold of alternative assets. Collectible whiskey bottles have experienced a surge in demand and value. Rare whiskies from distilleries that ceased production decades ago are fetching astronomical prices at auctions. In 2020, a Macallan 1926 whiskey sold for a whopping $1.9 million, setting a new record for the most expensive bottle of whiskey sold. Cheers to a potentially intoxicating investment. Number 10. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These stocks can offer investors a regular stream of income, even during periods of market volatility. As of 2021, the Dividend Aristocrats, a group of S&P 500 companies that have consistently increased dividends for at least 25 years, outperformed the broader market in terms of total return over the past decade, as reported by S&P Global. This historical performance underscores the stability and potential of dividend-paying stocks as a safer alternative to cash. As the world embraces technological advancements and changing mindsets, cash may find itself stepping aside to make way for a new era of alternative assets. From cryptocurrencies and digital collectibles to real estate, there are a plethora of assets you can invest in instead of holding onto your cash.